Hello beauties, and welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. If you're new to this channel, you're highly welcome, and if you're returning, thank you so much. I appreciate you all. So my beauties, I just want to let you all know that Juvia'S Place just released this amazing palette. So this palette is so beautiful, like is eye-catching, is so beautiful. But I'm so disappointed because I went to this site just to lay my hands on one, and I was disappointed because it was sold out. But I'm just going to cross my fingers, and hopefully very soon they will restock again. So this palette is called the Wahala palette, and according to what I saw on their website, they said this Wahala is a Nigerian pidgin, word, and a kind of the translation is for drama, drama, trouble, intensity, like, is in a good way, like this palette is so beautiful, it's so amazing, like it has this high quality. If you know Juvia'S Place, you know that they have this amazing pigmented palettes. Like, I can't wait to lay my hands on this palette. I love Juvia'S Place palette so much. So fingers crossed that hopefully very soon I'm going to lay my hands on one as soon as they restock. So yeah, I just want to let you all know that they just released this beautiful palette, so beautiful, creamy, and matte glitters. Like, it has all in one. So yeah, the colors are so amazing, and I can't wait to lay my hands on one. So yeah, I'm going to end this video here. So thank you also so much for watching. Until I see you all in my next video, stay blessed, stay beautiful, and I love you all. Bye.
Feelings